The button goes inside by my neck. So what I need to do, I need to open this thing by this knife, and I will put this back again. So let me do it. So I just open it by using this knife like this, and what I need to do, I don't know, you can see or not, pull up this thing. And I need to replace it. Thing. As you can see, here is a cable. Let's open it. Open. I need to open this cable from here and fix this, and I'll put it again. Let me do this. So as you can see, here is the clip. I need to clip it like this. It's fine, and I will put this cable and here, and I will put it like this. So now it's fine. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. It's a Jeep Cherokee 2014. This button is go inside by my neck. So when I'm sitting this seat, and my neck was here, my knee is here, and it's go inside. So it's now fixed now. Let me do it. Look, now it's fine now. I just put it back. It's nice. It's a dim. So let's try to start and check it's everything fine or not. Okay, before doing this, I need to remove this thing to my home. So now see, it's working fine like this. See, and the button here.